everybody, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys check them out. Link is going to be down below. And get one of these at a low cost. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. And stay safe out there. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. Check this out, guys. Oh boy. Here we go. Whoa. Alright. Take a look at this. ViviLink Discovery 1020 times car dash camera. WDR 170 degrees. Alright. Take a look. And let's see what's this about. Comes with superior night vision, high definition IPS screen, USB port car charger, tiny little guy. Alright. The goodies are on the bottom. ViviLink. We got the manual. Got some soft cloth to wipe the screen down. Got some mounting to do. Not sure where I'm going to stick it. Got the car mount right there. Got the battery charger or servo adapter. The USB. Reset key, and something in here. Oh, another, if you want to put it on a window or somewhere. Or is this for the air vent? This might be for the window. Somewhere, we'll figure it out. There we go. And now, this little guy. See, that's out. Tie the wires in. That's a really good thing to have. Need to mess up a little. Here she is. Put you guys down. Man, this thing is tiny. It's like a spy camera. It's really nice. So definitely see what other goodies they have to offer. Especially all you Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, Amazon drivers, mailman. This would be perfect for anybody. Nice screen. Look at that. Okay, so there's an adapter right there. Memory card slot. Probably guys go in the car and plug it in. Oh, here's the power. Light is on. Whoa, that's a nice screen, right? Look at that. Low battery. Dang. Here we go. Huh? So capture mode. Oh, I just died too. It is touchscreen, so let's take a look at all this stuff. So you can up it back. Night vision IPS. You just plug this in here. Like so. Twist tie. Untwist. It's a lot of cords, so that's good. Got a lot of room to work. You can probably plug this into like another monitor, stuff like that. I don't have nothing really crazy set up in the car. I don't usually go anywhere, so but definitely if you guys are in the need to get one, this is a good one to get right here. And see, here's a USB. You just take this, just plug it in here, and then use USB as another monitor. I already showed the screen how it looks, great quality, and the mounting should be easy. Take that, slide it through. There we go. Then you can stick this on the window. Sticky tape right there, or have it up. I want it like this, so you can have it, so you can see what's going on in front of you. Yeah, this is really nice camera. There's a reset. There's a mic. Speaker must be there. So really cool, guys. Great zoom dash camera. Alright guys, check them out. ViviLink. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a great weekend.